Twin Cities Habitat for Humanity has 2 ReStores, one in New Brighton and one in South Minneapolis. We're a thrift store. Anybody can shop here, anybody can donate here. So what I tell people is take Goodwill and take the big box Lowe's, Home Depot, or hardware store. Smash it into a ball, out comes the ReStore. When you come into the ReStore, you are going to find just about everything you need to work on the house. If you are doing an electrical or a plumbing project, if you need appliances, furniture, you're building a chicken coop, windows, doors, lumber, garden supplies, summer and winter, just about everything you need. Oh, and paint. If you want paint, we have one of the best paints in the world here at the ReStore. You're going to find mostly donated items, but you're also going to find new items from vendors around the cities and some items that we actually purchase. Inventory changes hourly. There are times when something will get donated, I'll have it on a cart, pushing it out to the floor. It never makes it off the cart. It goes right back to the bay to get loaded. Before you come shop at the ReStore, a couple things you need to know about COVID. Masks are required in the store. We do ask that you stay 6 feet apart. We're listening to what we need to be doing. For COVID updates, you're going to go to our website, restore.tchabitat.org. For inventory updates, you want to go to our Facebook page, ReStore Twin Cities, or our Instagram, ReStore Twin Cities.